Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is May 2nd, 2016, and today is Monday morning. So it's the first week of May as we're in the heart of the second quarter of the year. We're looking for a few things to happen. But let's start out with the economic calendar first. 4 p.m. South African time, we have ECB President Draghi will be speaking. That should affect the euro. And then USD ISM manufacturing number coming out simultaneously. And then at 7:25 p.m. South African time, the Swiss franc bank will be speaking. The central bank of the Switzerland, Jordan, will be speaking. So that should be kind of interesting as well. So looking at the markets, what a chock full of week did we have last week. Okay, we're going to start out with the EURUSD. I like the EURUSD right here. It looks like it's in an uptrend, and it looks like it wants to take out 117. As you can see here, we're just above a resistance line. But what I like about this is that we finished strong, and we're gapping small, but we're gapping up. Okay, so I'm a little bit more inclined to think that we're going to head up on the upside on this. As you can see here, we're gapping up. We have a big bar up, and we're gapping here. As long as we see consistency in this, I think we could continue going up and finally break out from this, from this threshold that we've been in, this trading range of 114 to 106. So I like this uptrend. Like I said, I think we're still bullish in it, and it looks like it's going to take off. So keep an eye on that today. Looking at gold. Gold had a huge day last Friday, up 28 points. We mentioned this on Thursday last week that it was forming a wedge formation right here, okay? And then it took it out, okay, and then continued going higher. So, you have to take that into consideration when you're looking at it. It was a little hard to say which direction it was going to go, but as you can see, it was taking it up on the high side and broke higher. Looking at the Aussie USD, we had a nice retracement from last week, a little bit of a resistance at this 0.78. We're now trading at 0.76. Let's see if we can get back to this 0.72 level, but I think it's going to be unlikely. I think we're going to trade in this higher range between 76 and 78. But all in all, it's been very strong and been showing some resiliency. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen on a monthly chart, doesn't look so much, but we had actually 155 pip rally here from 153 to 162. We retraced a little bit, and now we're bouncing. So, we're trading within this range from 62 on the upside, and on the downside 155-ish level. So I'd like to see some sort of a resurgence here. We had a previous support here at 155. So I'd like to see some sort of a resiliency to show that it's still strong. Looking at the Dow Jones, a big sell-off last week. Okay, we hit, when the news came out, was right here. Okay, this in retrospect looks like an inverted hammer, and then we just tanked. Okay, if you were in it, congratulations. I got in it a little bit right here, booked some profits, and you see what happens. You could have booked so much more, and that happens. But we're trading now at 17,700. Let's see if it does bounce over here and go up higher. But it retraced all the way to 17,641, which is a big retracement. I mean, it's almost a 300-point move for the Dow Jones. So, it was quite volatile over the last couple of days. And let's see if it does rebound this week. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.